matang pa maglibang ng mayin-mayin na lungibang matangal karet ang bunga karinya at ang alan na itingdotong amansanas king maragol at ulan ng tatangal karet ang bunga ni Tingarmo de la Ciencia.
What's up, guys, and good morning from the Philippines. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping in and checking it out. If you're returning, thanks for coming back and checking out. I'm in this area called Saudi. It's over here towards like Hensonville area. Today is Monday. Like I said, I'm going to try to do a video every day here during Holy Week, kind of show you what goes on here. This has not taken place the past 2 years, but it's back on. Here's where I'm at. You see them purple flags? You got this Pabasa 2020, Sito Saudi, and then I don't know what that says. But I'm gonna kind of do a walkthrough here, show you what's going on here Monday. Plus show you kind of this area here. Somebody decorated him up. Look at, they put lipstick on him. Crazy. But yeah, this is a nice little area back in here. It's quiet back in here. I might have walked back in here a few years back. Good morning. But everybody's very nice, very friendly. It's got a little garden thing going on here. Let me see, which way? You guys might hear it in the background. And we'll get over to that area, but I'll show you what's going on. Nice houses back in here. I think it's quiet back in here. Nobody really bothers anybody. This is Hensonville area. I'm sure you can hear that in the background. If not, you will hear it eventually. But I was speaking to one of the gentlemen here, and he said Thursday, Friday is big. That is where you'll see people walking around, dragging the crosses around. People self-flatulation. Good morning. And he told me go up into Angeles itself, and I know right where I'm going to go. But it's different. I mean, it's very different here. I know at one point the Catholic Church discouraged it, the self-flagellation. It's when they whip their back. But they're not going to stop the people. There's the trash man. Hello, guys. Hi. This is just one of many areas where they do their religious practicing throughout the week. And they'll just go from one Pabasa, I think they call them Pabasa station, to the other Pabasa station. They have their route that they go. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey. Of course, you got the kids.
Welcome to my guys. Welcome to my vlog. Welcome.
All right, shout out. Shout out. Shout out. Give the shout out. All right. All right. I don't know what takot is. Takot, she was saying. Takot. I don't know what it is. I have to ask somebody. What's up, kids? What's up, buddy?
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Shout out.
Hello.
Hello. No school this whole week. The week of Holy Week. So Catholic or not, guess what? There's no school this week. Even the little community here, they have people selling eggs and fruits and bananas, and that's nice there, huh? You guys should hear it now. But that goes on all week, 24 hours. You will hear that. I think, I mean, I'll have to ask, but I think, morning. but I think it's 24 hours, 7 or the whole week long. So if you live next to it, that's what you're going to hear. Morning. Oh, is that 24 hours they do the prayer?
Yes.
24 hours, all night and all day, or?
So that one until Wednesday only.
Oh, okay.
Instead until Good Friday.
Right.
Only Wednesday night only. That's it.
And then it's all day, all night, all day. Okay. And those are the families that do that, correct?
The right of the name there is
The ones that do it.
donation.
Oh, donation. Okay. All right. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. So he's saying these are the donations here. Pabasa 2020 voluntary donations. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. All right. That's something new I learned. I could smell the garlic they're cutting in there. But here's where it is, guys. Right up here on the left. Like I said, it's like prayers that they read over and over and over. And somebody's in here. I'll show you the chapel. And I'll show you where they do it. They got the big speakers for everybody to hear. But that's it. That's the Holy Family Chapel. That's where it's done, huh? That's the prayer book. I would assume that's the prayer book there. It's very interesting.
Ganitang pa maglibang ng mayin-mayin na lungibang matangal karet ang bunga karinya at ang alan na itingdotong amansanas king maragol at ulan ng tatangal karet ang bunga ni tingarmo de la sensya may kabulan minyabiya hindi mo niyong palamara baka na nagtampalasan makitwari kaguntal karini ng bungat mangan eng pikibat na ketinan bawal ake kamideyan ing Diyos sa ginungsugi ang babawal yoke kami king warit mangana kami bunga nindot ngayete agad.
I see the big speaker on top of the building there. Man, I would teach your own when it comes to religion, but I would not like to be living next to the chapel. No, thank you. But that kind of gives you an idea of what goes on here. I'm going to go to another area here where I've seen. Remember the last video I was talking where I showed the wreaths and stuff that they buy and then they put on their windows or their doors or their gates. There's one right there. They must have went to the Catholic service and had it blessed. That's what they do. So Ghani just kind of did like a circle here. That's all we did. Up there is where we started our stroll. All right, I'm going to go to another area here. Show you a different area. All right, guys, I'm in a different area right now, up here in Hensonville. These people were very friendly, very nice. They told me what was going on. Here they are. Very friendly, very helpful, great people, nice people. So yeah, everybody's
happy.
Everybody's happy. Holy Week. Holy Week. All right, guys. Salamat. Thank you for the help, guys. What? You want to borrow 100? I want to borrow 200. All right, guys. All right. So yeah, we're here. This area back in here is a pretty tight area as far as. Hey, good morning. How are you?
How are you?
Good. Very friendly people. You can see how they have this decorated up through here. There's a Pabasa station back here. I was told the people will just, those that participate in it, and you'll see later on as this week progresses what I mean by participating. They just go from one station. Hello. They They just go from one Pabasa station to the next Pabasa station. They know where they're at, and they just make their way around. It's down this way, I hear it. This is a straight up Filipino community. I don't think there's any foreigners that live back in here. Hello, good morning. Good, how are you? Daddy, how do you know I'm your daddy? we look alike, don't we? Yeah. Super, hello. How are you? What's your name? Okay. What's your name? Maxine. All right. Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
My name is Brian.
Brian?
Yes, Brian. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Your last name?
My name is Brian.
Brian, last name. Brian, full name.
What is your full name?
Francisita Cortez Bacani.
All right. My name is Brian Timothy Carver. Nice to meet you. Yeah, you can. All you got to do is follow the prayer sound. That's all you got to do. Hello. Guys, don't be afraid to get out and explore. Oh, here it is. See, this isn't a basketball court. Hello. So there it is, in a basketball court. Like I said, there's no school, so the kids are out, but check it out. Pretty neat, huh, guys? Pabasa 2022. Oh, hang on, now I get a gathering of the kids. Hang on, let me pan the kids. There they are. All right. I'm like a tourist attraction just for the kids. Wow. Yes.
YouTube now.
How many now? Oh, many. 90.
How are you?
Yeah.
What's your name in YouTube?
Philly in the Philippines.
What?
Philly in the Philippines. Are you going to subscribe?
Yes.
All right. You guys are all going to subscribe, right? All right. We're doing prayers. We're doing prayers.
Look. Bro.
Yeah, I'm a tourist attraction. So there they are. There the girls. These girls doing that one.
Philippines.
Oh, yes. So there the girls are going up. Alright, I gotta get out of here. I have become a tourist attraction. Alright kids, bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'll be like the Pied Piper. It's like they're selling stuff over here. Set up an area to sell stuff. French fries, Coke. Oh, we even sell some Red Horse. Alright. They get some hot dogs and cheese sticks. Snacks. Alright, let's get out of here. I'm drawing a crowd. I gotta get out of here. They'll probably follow me out on the street. Well, that goes back that way. Let me go. Holy cow, man, they are following me. They're all gonna get run over here soon. Shell just kind of goes back here. I think we'll hello. And then back that way it goes. I'd walk it. Wow. Are you following me?
Yeah.
You are?
No.
No? Alright. Alright guys. I could walk around here, but I don't want to. Not that I'm afraid, it's just I'm not going to. There they all are. There they all are.
What's your name?
Hello.
Hey.
But this will be like this all week long. All week long. The people will be out. It's basically, you know, yes, it's a religious holiday, but it's a celebration too. A lot of celebrating going on. A lot of people just out and about in their community having fun. Not everybody in the
What's your name?
in the Philippines, even in this area. My name is Brian. What is your name? Hey, what's your name? China. Is your name China? And nosebleed and China, right? Hello. Like I said, not everybody is Catholic, so not everybody does celebrate it. But
He speaks Tagalog.
he speaks Tagalog. Oh, no English? Oh, you speak English?
Yeah.
You're very good at English.
Yeah.
You learn in school? All right. Stay in school, kids. So yeah, not everybody is Catholic. We do have other religions in this area. Good morning. So yeah, back out to the front. Back out to the guys. Where's the guy that wants to borrow the pen? If I let one borrow 100, they'll all borrow on it.
Hey, TikTokers.
TikToker.
Yeah, 500. Yeah,
You?
500.
For what?
Dance, 500.
For what?
TikTokers. Yes. Dance.
TikToker, 500.
500.
You want me to give you 500?
Yes.
If you give me 1,000, I will give you back 500. Huh?
Kaya nandiyan ka niyan eh.
Huh?
Bali mo rin sabihan. Diyan kaya ka ng 1,000, di na lang 500.
Yeah. So now I'm ahead, right? Now I got 500, you got 500. All right, guys. Thank you. All right. God bless you. All right. There it is. Going straight ahead out this way will take you up to the Robinson Mall. So it kind of gives you like an idea where I'm at. So anyways, this is Monday. It sounds to me like a Thursday, Friday will really be the day. And it's something, if you haven't seen it, it is something to really check out. So stay tuned for that. So anyways, guys, let me see. You have anything to say? Anything to say? Nothing, anything? Nothing. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later.